In this video, you'll learn how to add a URL to a Google Calendar event. This is really useful if you want quick access to a meeting link, a document, a website, or any online resource directly from your calendar. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the calendar event you want to edit. If you use multiple Google accounts, just double check you're in the right one so the event is actually visible. Once your calendar loads, find the event you want to add a link to. This could be a meeting, a reminder, or any existing event. Click directly on that event in your calendar view to open the small event preview window. You should see basic details like the title, time, and maybe the location. In that small pop-up, look for the pencil icon, usually labeled as Edit Event. When you hover over it, click the pencil icon to open the full event editing page. This is where you can change all the details, including the title, time, description, and of course, add your URL. On the event editing page, locate the description box. This is typically a larger text area in the middle of the screen where you can type notes or details. Inside this description area, you'll see a small formatting toolbar above the text box. In that toolbar, look for the insert link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on that insert link button. A small dialog box will appear asking you for two things: the text to display and the URL itself. In the first field, type the text you want people to see in the event description. For example, you might type join meeting, view agenda, or open project document. This is simply the clickable text that will appear, so choose something clear and descriptive. In the second field, enter the actual URL address you want to link to. Make sure you paste or type the full web address, including the HTTPS part, so the link works correctly. Take a quick moment to double check there are no extra spaces or missing characters. When you're happy with both the display text and the URL, click OK in the link dialog. You should now see your clickable text appear in the event description area, usually underlined or in a different color to show that it's a link. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the event page, and click it. Once it's saved, anyone who can view that event on your calendar will be able to click the link directly from the event details, making it much easier to get to the right online resource at the right time.